Okay, Sagittarius, you got the Phoenix. So it's showing you as having like this ethereal, otherworldly type energy about you. So basically, you're not supposed to be here. I don't know, somebody planned for you to not be here. Something ended for you and you're rising from the ashes, or you rose from the ashes, or that's what you're currently going towards. The nightingale at the bottom. So this is like you spoke something or created something that made a person or a group of people want an ending for you, but it happened. You're rising from that. Yeah, the stingray. Somebody wanted to sting you because of your voice, or because you speak the truth or something, or you spoke a truth. Yeah. But what is the energy affecting you? The hawk reverse. Yeah, this is like smear campaigns or speaking something over you in a negative way. Somebody's doing that. It's an outside influence. So that's air energy. So it could be a dark-sided air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, speaking something, trying to speak something over the Phoenix to make you what? Go back into the ashes or something. I don't know. Sea serpent. Somebody trying to affect you emotionally in a deceptive and or destructive way. What the fuck is this? Who is this hawk? Two of Pentacles. Ace of Cups is at the bottom. So I feel like this person tried to offer you something in the past, whether it was fake love, fake friendship, fake something, and you showed up like this, like, so you could have intuitively, oh my God, speech. You intuitively felt like you couldn't believe anything this person said. Six of Swords, Six of Cups. So why are the hawk reverse, and why are they affecting the Phoenix? Okay, the moon, Five of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. They stole from you. Okay, so this could be a person who stole from you. They lied about something. They could be like, if you had an agreement with this person, they could have told you one thing, but it's like they're going around with the Nine of Pentacles, pretending like they are doing their part or something by showing things. Like, say like somebody owe you money for a specific service. They could be showing people that they paid you money before for other services without them knowing that they stole from you or made an agreement and didn't follow through with it. Like, somebody is just lying. The moon, the Five of Pentacles, about money when it comes to you, or lying about you in general because you want to be single and separated from them. Five of Pentacles is here, the moon. This is somebody who watches you a lot more than they'll ever let you know. And I don't know, it's like they're doing certain things to, see, trying to cause you sadness or make you feel depleted. Five of Cups, Justice, the Hierophant. So this is a person who in the past, they were talking about how they wanted to make things right and commit. That could be marriage, the Hierophant, or signing a contract. This could be like living together or something. Maybe you did live with them or they wanted to. I feel like they didn't get something from you that they wanted in the past. So now, yeah, you walked away, Eight of Cups. Now they're just like spreading lies. Like, you get over it. Hold on. The Two of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, the World. I mean, this is the Two of Swords. So this could be somebody you're blind to or you turned your back on. You feel like you know the truth about them and they're not on your side. They're against you. They're behind your back. And then the world is telling you into the cycle with this person. It could be a Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn person, because that's the only court card right there. Earth energy. So what's coming towards you in this situation? 2 of Wands. Okay, that's the ball being put in your court. The 10 of Cups. I feel like none of this shit can stop your 10 of Cups energy coming towards you. That's overflow. An overflow of blessings and abundance for whoever is watching. It's like the ball's in your court. Just keep tunnel vision, because I think in some ways somebody's trying to force you to hear some slander about you or convince you that they know you better than you or whatever, but they're in reverse. So I think if they're getting messages about you, whether it's through trying to tap into the spiritual realm or through people, they still don't know what the fuck they're talking about. This bird look like it's falling. It's the hawk in reverse. It's like angry bird energy around you. This could be in your family, at a workplace, in a neighborhood, whatever, online. What are we on? Let me see. Hidden enemies. That's what that part just now was. Like, right? Queen of Swords, maybe an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Or it's somebody who's just very matter of fact. They're like very serious about having a problem with you or something. Let's see. 7 of Cups. So this person has like something going on mentally. Maybe multiple personalities. Maybe they're drunk, alcoholic, or like they're on drugs or something. 7 of Cups is like an altered mental state, but it's like kind of like the loudest barrel being the emptiest one. So somebody wants you to know what they think, but it's not any substance, or it could be confusing. The Magician, or somebody trying to spin something. Okay, for what? To confuse others about you. This could be about you as a mother or as a father. The Fool, the Emperor. This could be because you started over, you left an Emperor. They wanted to be a husband and wife or together, but you started over, and the Hangman. Now you went from somebody they wanted to marry to like a bad mother or bad father because you're done with them. 5 of Wands. So this is just like vindictive. So this could be because I saw the Emperor, ex-husband, ex-wife. The Empress is there too. Baby mother, baby father, scorned. They were trying to like commit full term, long term, whatever the fuck, but you said no, or you showed them that that's not what you wanted. So now they're a hidden enemy. That's what this bird is about. Okay. Take on the 7 of Swords energy. I feel like you should keep just your life as secret as possible from whoever this person is, even though they're going to secretly watch you in whatever way that they can. The Hermit is here. This is somebody who's like, you would like to act like you don't know them, but they want everybody to know that they knew you, or whatever the fuck your relation was. The Moon is here. So I feel like you could be turning your back to whatever's going on with this person and focusing on this 3 of Pentacles energy. It could be outside collaborations, or just you could be learning something new, doing new things. That's bringing about a celebration, especially if it's talking about money or teamwork with the 3 of Pentacles. Okay, 8 of Wands. Yeah, you're good in communication, about action forward. This is like, of course, you have free will, so this is an opportunity to move towards a long-term goal, or this could be actually traveling. the Chariot, the High Priestess. Somebody seeing a vision that they've had for a long time play out in reality. The Devil is here, the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like this hidden enemy knows good things are coming towards you or something, but fuck that. I'm just gonna see something coming towards y'all in general. How long is this? Oh, it's short. Something coming towards Sagittarius. Something else. Well, that wasn't really energy coming towards you. It was kind of like energy trying to affect you, but coming towards you is the Two of Wands and the Emperor. So this could be a divine masculine putting the ball in your court, or if you are the divine masculine, you have some type of offer where you're going to have to make a choice in the near future. I feel like it's coming towards you when you're not expecting it, or you're being offered an opportunity that will bring about more peace or, expansion. 5 cards, you got the Emperor and the Empress. The Queen of Cups is here, so you could be somebody or connected to somebody who has very soft features with the Queen of Cups energy here. Is very intuitive, very honest, spiritual. So this could be like the attributes of whoever the Empress is. But the Emperor is here. Somebody has a union coming together. You got divine masculine and feminine. What the fuck? The Sun? So that's like the best card you can get. So it's talking about you having abundance. Somebody might be finding out they're pregnant because the Empress is mother energy, and then the Sun, the baby, is there. If this is not a relationship, this is you creating something that generates a lot of abundance. You having more than enough to share with the sunflowers, the baby, white horse. I feel like if it's a relationship, somebody has awakened to something, or why is the Sun here? This is crazy. The High Priestess. So somebody realizes that you're the High Priestess, or something you said played out in reality. So even if you don't pull cards, I feel like you could have shared something or predicted something that made somebody see you as the truth, or, Justice is here. Queen of Swords. Let me see. What is this? Choose love. So you're very much already connected to somebody who you already know is some type of spiritual connection. So y'all can speak to each other telepathically. You could think about this person and then they call you, or vice versa. You always have a choice. Make yours with love. I feel like you are trying to control something that can't be controlled, but in a good way. Now, it's not good that you're trying to control it, but it's good that it can't be controlled. I don't know. Have patience. Love is patient and kind always. Wait. It says love makes a difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. I don't know who that's for, but let me see. Those extra clues for whoever this is meant for. Right idea, wrong bitch. Cool. Sacrificial lambs. That is real clear. That's the last one that was at the bottom. It says right idea, wrong bitch, sacrificial lamb. Somebody had the right idea about you being an earth angel or being very sweet, but the wrong idea about that meaning that you're a sacrificial lamb or something. A coven of ratchet whores pretending to be Christian or religious or spiritual as a front while doing evil. It's a lot of them. But they thought they was going to make you the sacrificial lamb, but they had the right idea, wrong bitch. Let me see. So that means they was doing something to you that probably worked on other people, or maybe worked on them that they were trying to do to you. But Queen of Cups came out first, so this could be a water sign. If it's not a water sign, it's somebody who's very much deep in their feelings about you. 3 of Cups, 8 of Cups. I feel like they could have been laughing, now they're crying, or they were celebrating, now they're walking away. Or they're realizing that, like, they were celebrating when they were getting your attention or something, or thought something was working. But now they're realizing, or soon will realize it's not. I feel like this is like, it could be past, present, future, or it just shows abandoned success when it comes to whatever this shit is. That's why it's pretty much repeating the oracle cards that came out. Well, my little cards. The Wheel of Fortune shows the table turning in the Empress's favor. So, ooh. And then the stars here. So I feel like this is for you. You're somebody who gets clear spiritual messages. I feel like you realized what somebody was doing and was able to get divine assistance, divine intervention, victory, spiritual victory. When it comes to somebody trying to stick knives in your back, it's in reverse. So that's once again repeating the not the sacrificial lamb energy. Like, no. Let me get the oracle card in the reading. Cosmic card number 8. I was dead, I became alive. I was tears, I became laughter. The power of love arrived and made me everlasting power. I had seen everything. I have no fear. I have the heart of a lion. I shine like Venus. I hear it and weep. In sublime reverence, I bow to this living, beating, loving heart of the universe. It echoes throughout all of creation. Once some time ago, I was deaf. I had not heard one true sound, much noise but no truth, so I believed in many things not worth believing in. Then in a moment of my crisis that cracked my heart open, I was given a gift. Though I felt fear and confusion, a gift came to me more powerful than those temporary ailments. That gift was the ability to hear the sound hidden beneath all of life. I hear it, that sacred sound of the beating heart of the universal love. Now I know that belief is Now I know that belief in unworthy things like fear and doubt is lunacy. Even my loneliness became unconvincing to me. We are animated by this living heartbeat, part of the life that is sustained by it. You and I, the planets, the birds, and the fishes, emerge from the great source because of this beating heart of the universe. It pumps life through our veins. What proof is this? What proof of this is needed? You live. That is proof. I hear it everywhere now. It has become so loud, louder than any sound of fear. It resonates through my soul and eclipses any tremor of anxiety. I need some water. There is a time on the journey of love when the beloved, that would be you and me, sweet soul, is prepared to engage more completely with the heart of the divine lover. This oracle comes with special guidance for you. More love is rushing towards you like a cosmic tsunami. Okay? You will struggle with these blessings to the extent that you will attempt to hold on to what has been. So don't let go. Let it move you. You'll perhaps get some water up your nose, but nothing will come to you that you cannot handle. You'll be disheveled somewhat, undoubtedly. Yet, as you are washed up upon love's shining shore, keeping every hair in place will be the last thing on your mind. You'll be too caught up in the wonder of perfection, realizing how deeply loved you are and how unnecessary it is to contrive a way to live your purpose. Instead, you'll have no idea what is going on. Okay? You'll be surrendered and passionate, embraced with life simply being your exquisite, crazy, unique self, saturated with divine love. It will drip from you, out of your feet, your eyes, your voice, your touch. You'll water the earth with love, oceanic presence. Okay? Oh, how that tsunami will deliver you into your divine destiny. No need for any contrivance. Let your hair get messed up. Your destiny awaits you now, okay? The sacred honoring ritual says, place your hands on your stomach and the other one on your heart. Focus on your breath, flowing gently in and out. When you are ready, say the following aloud. God, who loves me unconditionally with all the wild love and unconditional affection of the universal heart, help me now. I trust in my own heart's wisdom and in the truth of your love for me. Please help me trust in the flow of life. Let go of my fixed plans and ideas. Open up to the genius of love itself. May I realize that my destiny will unfold with absolute perfection. And may I trust in the signs I am given. Okay? May I be able to release any false guidance based in fear. And may I open up instead to guidance genuine and from the inner knowing based in love. Under the grace of your protection, may this be so. Feel the warmth of your hands on your body. Just breathe. When you are ready, simply place your hands in prayer position and bow your head gently to your hands. This is your simple and powerful action that reminds you of this truth. Your head is supposed to bow to and honor your heart, not try to dominate or control it, okay? You have completed your sacred honoring ritual. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.